Hi everybody, so I wanted to do a quick video on how to save documents and files to your district drive, your U drive. So you notice on my desktop I have a lot of stuff here, and if this computer ever crashes and I don't have these backed up, or if it has to be rebooted, all that stuff is going to be wiped out. So there's a couple different ways that you can save it: thumb drives, online OneDrive, or through your district drive. Your district drive looks just like this, and when you open it, it looks like any other file drive, and whenever you're logged into a district computer, you can have access to this. And so these are all the different files and folders that I have saved in here. So let me show you really quick on how you can save to that. One is just dragging a file right into the folder that I just had open. But I'm going to pretend like I have a document here that I want to have saved. So I'm going to be opening it up here, and then so these problems, if I want to save them to that U drive, I'm going to File, Save As. Okay, and if you don't see the U drive here, okay, I'm going to click on this PC. I'm going to actually double click on it, and this will pop up. Okay, and when I scroll down, I'll see my Lawson number and then this extension. But at the end of the extension, if you see where it says U, that is your U drive. So I can save it right into my U drive here. I can click Save, and so it's saved right to my U drive. Now if I open up my U drive, it should be File and saved in there. So you can use any district computer that's logged on to the district network and log in as yourself, and you'll be able to save things into your U drive. Alright, that is it.